Good afternoon. It's Sunrise Hotel. How can I help you?
Hello. I'd like to book a room, please.
Certainly. What date would you like to check in?
The 12th of May,
And how many nights will you stay?
3 nights.
Would you like a single or a double room?
A double room, please.
All right. Would you like breakfast included?
Yes, please. Is Wi-Fi free?
Yes. Wi-Fi is free in all rooms. The price is 90 euros per night.
That sounds good. I'll take it.
Great. May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Anna Brown.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hello. I'd like to buy a plane ticket to Paris.
Sure. When would you like to fly?
Next Monday, in the morning if possible.
Would you like a one-way or a return ticket?
A return ticket, please.
When would you like to come back?
On Sunday evening.
Okay. The total price is 180 euros.
That's fine. Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Good morning. May I see your passport, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check in?
Yes, I have 1 suitcase.
Please put it on the belt. Did you pack your bag yourself?
Yes, I did.
Here's your boarding pass. Your gate is 18. Boarding starts at 10:30.
Thank you very much. Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm looking for gate 18A. Where is it?
Go straight, past the security check, and then turn right.
Is it far from here?
No, not very far. It takes about 10 minutes on foot.
Great, thank you. And is there a duty-free shop on the way?
Yes, there is. You'll see the duty-free shops right after security.
Perfect. And one more question. Where are the bathrooms?
The bathrooms are next to the duty-free area on your left.
That's very helpful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
Good afternoon. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Your seat is 22C, an aisle seat.
Great. Which way should I go?
Go straight ahead and turn left. Your seat is near the window row.
Is there space for my hand luggage?
Yes, you can put it in the overhead locker.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your flight.
Hello. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. Can I have some water?
Still or sparkling?
Still water, please.
Here you are. Would you like ice?
No, thank you.
We have chicken or pasta for lunch today.
I'd like pasta, please.
Would you like bread or dessert with that?
Yes, please. That would be nice.
All right. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you very much. Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Of course. What do you need?
I've just arrived, and I need to get to my hotel.
No problem. Where is your hotel?
It's in the city center, near Central Square.
You can go by bus, metro, or taxi.
Which one is the easiest?
A taxi is the easiest and fastest.
Is it expensive?
It's a bit expensive, but very comfortable. It costs about 25 euros.
I see. And what about the bus?
The bus is much cheaper. It costs 3 euros.
How long does the bus take?
About 40 minutes.
Where can I find the bus stop?
Go outside the terminal and turn right. The bus stop is near the exit.
And where can I get a taxi?
The taxi rank is just outside the arrivals hall.
Do I need to book a taxi in advance?
No, you can get one there. Just follow the signs.
That's very helpful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay and have a great trip.
Good evening. Welcome to City Hotel.
Hello. I have a reservation.
Of course. Could you tell me your name, please?
Anna Brown.
Thank you. Yes, I see your booking. You're staying for 3 nights, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Here is your room key. Your room is on the 4th floor.
Thank you. Is there an elevator?
Yes, the elevator is on your left.
Great. What time is breakfast?
From 7 to 10 in the morning.
Perfect. Thank you. Excuse me. Could you help me, please?
Of course. What would you like to know?
How can I get to the city center?
You can take a bus, the metro, or a taxi.
Which one is the cheapest?
The bus. It costs €2.
How long does it take?
About 20 minutes, depending on traffic.
Where is the bus stop?
It's just across the street, near the cafe.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant.
Good evening. A table for one, please.
Certainly. Please follow me. Here is the menu.
Thank you. Can I ask a question about the menu?
Of course.
What do you recommend?
Our chicken salad and pasta are very popular.
That sounds good. Is the chicken salad spicy?
No, it isn't. It's quite mild.
Great. I'll have the chicken salad, please.
Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, please. I'd like a glass of water.
Still or sparkling?
Still water, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all for now.
All right. I'll bring your order soon.
Excuse me. I have a small problem with my room.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
The air conditioner doesn't work, and the room is very warm.
I'm very sorry about that. I'll send someone to fix it right away.
How long will it take?
About 20 minutes. If it doesn't work, we can change your room.
That's great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. We apologize for the inconvenience.